In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change flight date on Qatar Airways. By the end, you'll feel confident moving your trip to a new day using the airline's website, and you'll know what to look out for so there are no surprises. First, open your web browser and go to QatarAirways.com. Make sure you're on the official site so your booking details stay secure. The homepage may detect your region automatically. That won't affect the steps we're taking today. Next, look for the Manage or Check-in option in the main navigation. It's usually at the top of the page. This section groups together everything related to existing trips, including check-in, seat selection, and changes. Inside that area, choose Manage Booking. This is where you'll access your reservation so you can make allowed changes, including shifting your travel date. Now, you'll be asked for two pieces of information: your booking reference and your last name. The booking reference is typically a 6-character code made up of letters and numbers found on your confirmation email or e-ticket receipt. Type your last name exactly as it appears on the ticket. Watch for spaces, hyphens, or accents. If there are multiple travelers, use the surname associated with the booking details you received. If your trip was arranged through a travel agency or another airline, be aware that the reference they provided might differ from the one Qatar uses. In that case, check the documentation you were given. Click Retrieve Booking. Your itinerary should load with your current flights, passenger information, and any extras you previously selected. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right before making changes. From here, you can change your flight date. Look for an option that says Change Flight or Change Date. Select the flight segment you want to move, open the calendar, and choose your new date. You'll typically see available flights and any price difference or change fees tied to your fare rules. Some tickets allow changes with a fare difference only, while others may carry a fee or have restrictions, especially close to departure. If you're changing a connecting journey, ensure your new times leave enough time between flights. Review the summary carefully, including baggage and seat selections, which may need to be reselected after a change. When everything looks good, follow the prompts to confirm. You should receive an updated confirmation with your new travel date once the change is completed. That's it. Simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and safe travels on your updated itinerary.